Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of gaming, tech, and everything in between. Today we're tackling a super useful hack for your Discord server, adding a translator bot. In our global world, this is a game changer for communities with members from all over the globe. So let's get started. First things first, you need to have manage server permissions on your Discord to add bots. If you have that, you're good to go. Now find a translator bot. There are several great options, but today I'm going to be using interaction bot. Now go to the interaction bot website, then click on add to Discord. Now you'll be directed to a Discord authorization page. Here select the server you want to add the bot to from the drop down menu and click on continue. Now after reviewing the permissions that the bot needs, click authorize. You might have to complete a CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. And that's it. The translator bot is now part of your Discord community. And that's all there is to it. A quick and easy guide to adding a translated bot to your Discord server. This is a fantastic way to break down language barriers and make your community more inclusive. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, stay connected.